If you have a membership site, you know it is no fun when people cancel. It kind of stinks, but it's something that is inevitable for all of us who have membership sites. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make this not so bad when it does happen, because it will, and also a few things that you can do to make sure that your membership site continues to grow even though people are going to cancel. That is coming up in this video. This is day 77 of Crush It on Kajabi. We're doing 90 videos all about your online business and how to start it, build it, and grow it on the best platform there is for online business, which is Kajabi. And if you want to try out Kajabi, use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. With that, you get 3 really cool perks, including a 30-day free trial, a 45-minute Zoom call with me, and a bonus template that I made that will help you make more sales when you launch your first course. All of that is yours for free as a way of saying thank you for using my link, which is an affiliate link. So when you use it, I do get a small commission. So I appreciate it so much when you do. All right, so let's dive into membership site churn. Churn is a way of describing what happens when people leave. Every membership site has what's called a churn rate. What percentage of people leave your membership site every month? So let's say you have 100 members in your membership site. If you have a churn rate of 10%, that means that you are going to lose 10 people a month from your membership site. That would be a churn rate of 10%. If you have a churn rate of 5%, then 5 people would leave at that 100 member mark. The key is simple math, right? Like, you just have to make sure that your growth rate is more than your churn rate. So if you have 100 people and your churn rate's 10%, you have to grow by 10 people a month to stay at 100 people. So if it was just a matter of math, it would be easy, right? It would be, hey, let's make sure that we are growing at a rate faster than we're losing people, faster than we're churning. But it's not quite that simple, because there's a whole lot more that goes into it for you and for me, the membership site owner. Because when we see people leave our membership site, it hurts. It hurts us real bad, because we think, I've poured my blood, sweat, and tears into this membership site. It's good. It's a great value. I'm providing something worth paying for. And you would just leave me? Just leave me out in the cold? Just leave me here alone with these 90 people that remain in my membership site because what? You don't think it's worth it anymore? You don't think I'm worth it anymore? Well, these are the things that we do. And the key to remember is that there are so many reasons why people leave membership sites that have nothing to do with you and whether or not your content is valuable. Maybe the content is extraordinarily valuable. Maybe it's awesome, but maybe they are getting rid of all of their subscriptions to save money. Maybe they got out of it what they needed and it's no longer a wise investment. Maybe they're just going through and trying to simplify their life and they don't have time right now because they want to work on the content, but they just don't have time, so they're going to go ahead and cancel. Maybe they don't like your face. That's probably not it though. It's probably one of the other things. And by the way, you can reach out to the people when they cancel. On Kajabi, if somebody cancels their membership site, you get an email saying, this member canceled, and you can email them and say, hey, would you care to tell me what led you to cancel? And you can get some good information from that. But the very first thing I would do is not take it personally. Resist that urge to take this kind of thing personally. It's not about you as much as it is about them. It's not you, it's me. The second thing you want to do is make sure that you always have a list of people who are waiting to get in. This is why I don't always have my membership site open for people to join. I only open it twice a year. In the meantime, I have a wait list. So when somebody goes to my website and they click on the membership site and they say, hey, this looks pretty cool, I think I want to join, they actually get put on a wait list so that when I open it, I have a warm list of people ready to go. And the third thing you need to make sure to do is get testimonials from people who are in your membership site. The people who stay, you want to learn why they stay. So many people go after the people who are leaving and they say, why'd you leave? You know, would you stay? But what about the people who stay with you? What about the people who love you? Get their testimonials. Ask them to write a sentence or two and then use that when you open the membership site in subsequent times to show people that it's a valuable product. But at the end of the day, you are going to have a churn rate. You're going to have a amount of people that leave every month. But I don't like to focus on the churn rate. I actually like to focus more on the retention rate. What is the percentage of people who remain? That's my retention rate. So if I have a 95% retention rate, I'm gonna focus on increasing my retention rate, which is going to decrease my churn. But increasing my retention rate means that I'm keeping more people month over month in my membership site by serving them well, by showing up, by over-delivering, by getting those testimonials, by putting people on a wait list so that there's anticipation and people ready to go when I open it back up, and then making sure that the content I'm delivering every month is amazing and exactly what they signed up for and a little bit more. That's how you keep people in a membership site. And the best place to build your membership site is Kajabi. Be sure to use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Let me know in the comments what questions you have about Kajabi and I'll answer them in upcoming videos. And for now, be sure to click on this playlist right here where we'll talk more about Kajabi.